Number 14, still by number 29. Pass to number 11. Easy, 2 gone by number 11. Number 3. Pass to number 14. Elevate. Second team pass. Team will play by number 14. Number 25, pass to number 29. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, no good. Rebound by number 14, pass to number 3, 2 balls. Number 29, no good. Pass to number 25, 2 balls. Number 3, pass to number 14. Number 14, 21, 2 points.
Malakas din yung maglalaban mo.
Number 25, pass to number 11, down to number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 19. Rebound by number 14.
Sa Kailaw. Lalaki ba na?
No good.
Oo, malaki yung galaw pa. May laro pa talaga.
2 balls.
Wala yata dyan. Wala dyan. Ah, wala.
Foul. 3 for play by number 25. Number 21, pass to number 1. No good, rebound by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 21, Amir. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 11. Number 11, pass to number 25. No good, rebound by number 25 again. Back to 11. 2 balls by number 11. Number 3. Steal by number 5.
Lalaki yan, bro, oh. Eh, makakainin na.
Back to number 11. Back to number 11.
Paano niya ka-line up nyo?
Report by number 11. Number 1. Pass to Amir. No good. Rebound by number Haskip. Jay. Pass to Jesse. Jesse, pass to number 11 again. 5. Report. Dalawa-dalawang kalamangan ng Kaila. Number 14, Abir. Pa. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, Abir. Ball. Boss.
Gaming, no? Kung lalaro, relax lang.
Number 11, pass to Jesse.
Minsan to, ina-hybrid din yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Steal by number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 3. 2 balls.
Yes, boy.
2 balls by number 25. 25 seconds. Full penalty.
Ah, naputulan. Naputulan ng daliri.
No good.